Ating nilagahi, kaya mas na.
Yung sa mga pasahero ato.
Ay, wala ko. Ano yung buhat? Murag may natulala.
Manapil siya sa
Oo.
dala sa
Anakong biyahe. Wala ganyan mag... Tagi.
Ligo ni ka lang. Istorya ra na nato na yun.
Our vacation is over. We're heading to Manila to go back to Canada. We had a great time and at least I'm seeing with my mama. Thank you so much for the time, Lord. I spent the quality time with my mother and I thank you for that. She's happy but she's sad of course.
Wala na pala tong
I told her,
car nila ni-
don't cry, I'm coming back. So we're here now in Manila and we spend more time to our friends and to my family of course, my sisters and brother. Yes, so join us. Thank you. But for this, we're gonna be going to MOA and at this time we are passing by Parañaque City and I'm looking forward to see Marisalas Michi Manalo over here, but she doesn't have time to see me. So yes, I'm just passing by in their place and waving. Maybe she can see me from there. Okay, dokie. I'm just kidding, but somehow yes. So we're heading to MOA, passing Parañaque City. My purpose of filming this is because I want Sis Marie Salas, Miguel, shout out to you, to see this place and she will say, oh, that is where I live. Oh, this is my place. Okay, stay tuned with me.
Pero residential man siguro na sa may.
Kuan gyapon ni mga condo or mga apartment ganun.
Sinabi niya mag-drive ko. Mahirap lang dito masimbong sa pahirapan lang.
Hotel pala yun. Manila Airport.
Maganda yung kulay gold niyo.
So which one? That one.
Tom ba to?
Tapos,
Si Kendrick.
di ba magkuno sila?
Oh, Kendrick ba ito yung asawa?
dancing ano?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Ito yata yung may dancing.
Paggabi.
Ito rin yan, di ba? Punta tayo dito mamaya.
Ano mo dancing?
Dancing light.
Basta sa...
Luminis na rin kahit paano yung water dito.
Kasi hindi ka nakalapit na tayo sa mga. Hotelan kasi. Mahal dun, Jo?
Hoy. Grabe.
Magkano per night dun? 15, 20, ganyan?
Nasa 50.
Wah,
100,000.
regular.
Regular.
Na-try nyo na?
Hindi. Kasi yung anak ni Mami Noni doon. 2 tao lang yun.
Gumastos na hindi mo pera, no? Ano to? Parkal? Ano naman ito siya?
Commercial will be.
Ito po yung rose. Makapag-albog.
Ano agad? May nakapangalan na para sa kanya yun. Mag-opening.
Pero at least naman every 6 years ang quarter.
Oo.
That's not bad. Yun nga lang, wala kang ano.
Dito pala yung IKEA? Nakapasok ka na dito, Jo?